Hi, my name is Quentin Bitron. I'm a visiting student at the Sensible City Lab, part of the Architecture and Urban Planning department. I have been working on one of the biggest lab projects called Rowboats. It's about investigating the waterways in Amsterdam Canal with autonomous boats on water. And what I've been working on is trying to think about a tool to kind of explore new urban interfaces in Amsterdam Canal. They are planning to launch the first autonomous boats on water in a few years. And so hopefully, this workshop will help to understand the interaction of this new human-machine interface. And what we have been doing today is we started with a demo in VR, and then we jumped into a brainstorming and ideation session, and then you play with the cards and you generate a concept with a storyboard in less than an hour, and people have been trying to put together those ideas and pitch during 1 minute the concept that they have been coming up with. We jumped into a tutorial with Unity. What I have been trying to do is explaining how you could set up an urban scene and bring this scene to life in VR. What we are trying to do is visualize this scenario in VR, trying to understand what is wrong, understand the new questions on the project, and maybe finding new solutions or even leveraging new problems.